So students, today we are going to discuss about electronic configuration. How to write electronic configuration of any element. Understood? So first of all, you have to understand what is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is nothing but the arrangement of electrons in a element. Understood? So it is nothing but arrangement of electrons. It is also known as NLX method. So this NLX method, in this N represent principal quantum number. This L represent angular momentum quantum number, and this X, it represents the number of electrons. For example, if I am writing 2s2, so what does it mean? So this 2 stands for the principal quantum number, and this is the angular momentum quantum number, and this is the number of electrons. So as you know that angular momentum quantum number is used for telling the shape of a particular orbital. So whether it may be S, P, D, F or anything like that. Is it clear? So this is a short introduction about electronic configuration. So if you want to write electronic configuration, you should need a chart known as molar chart, so that it will be easy for you to write any electronic configuration of any element, let it be 100, 110, 120 or any element. Understood? So first of all, we will see what is a molar chart. So in molar chart, we will be writing the orbitals. So this is 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, D. After that you will have F. So these are the now with the help of this molar chart, we can write the electronic configuration. So now let us see how to write the electronic configuration. Let us take any element, atomic number, for example calcium, atomic number is 20. So how to write the electronic configuration, let us see. First, the electron will enter into 1s2. The electron will enter into 1s2. Then after that, the electron will enter into 2s2. So next, after 2s2, again the electron will enter into 2p. Remember that after 2s, the electron will enter into 2p6. After 2p6, the electron will enter into 3s2. So next, again it will enter into 3p. After 3s, the electron will enter into 3p6. So after 3p6, electron will enter into 4s2. Now let us see, you have to count all the electrons. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 12, 18, 20. So this number should be equal to the atomic number. Is it clear? So then only we can say that this electronic configuration is correct. So one more thing you have to remember here, For example, I am writing S, P, D, F. In S, the maximum capacity of electrons is 2. Similarly, P 6, D 10, F 14. So this is the maximum capacity. For example, see here in 1s2, S I have taken 2 electrons, in P I have taken 6 electrons. Similarly in D 10 electrons and in F 14 electrons. Now let us see one more example. For example, atomic number 15 you want to write. So how will you write? First 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, next 3p6. Is it correct? Now let us see. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So I need 3 electrons here. I can't write 3, 6 here. So now total electrons are 15. So both are matching. Is it clear? So you have to see the maximum capacity. So like this you have to write the electronic configuration. Okay, let us see for 35, atomic number 35, how to write the electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, after 4s, 3d, 3d, 10. Okay, now let us see. 10, 20, 30. After 3d, 4p, no? 4p, 4p, 5. So this is the electronic configuration of any number. So similarly, you can write for 85 also. Now let us see how to write the electronic configuration of 85. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6. After 4p6, 5s2. Next 4d10. Then afterward 5p6, 6s2. Next 4f, 4f, 14, 5d, 10. Now let us count whether it is sufficient or not. So 2 plus 2, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40, 46, 48, 50, 60, 70, 80. After 5d, 6p5. So now you are getting 85. So this is the electronic configuration of atomic number 85. So with the help of this molar chart, it will be easy for you to understand. So first of all, you have to remember that always electron will enter into 1s, then afterward 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s and so on. So this is the best way to write the electronic configuration of any element. So if you practice some elements, so it will be easy for you to understand. I hope that you will watch this video again if you are not able to understand. So it will be easy for you to write any electronic configuration of any number. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, share and comment on my videos.